Today we are going to talk about states of matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. I am made up of matter. You are also made up of matter, and even all the objects around us are made up of matter. Like we are made up of matter, matter is made up of small particles called molecules. There are 5 states of matter, but right now we are going to focus on solid, liquid, and gas. Do you know how the molecules move inside solid, liquid, and gas? In solid, the molecules are very tightly packed and they vibrate at their own place. Liquid molecules are a little loosely packed and can move a little more than solid molecules. Gas molecules are very loosely packed, so they can move wherever they want to. This is the character we are going to use to show a few examples of phase changes. Okay, this is an example of melting. So this is a beach, and if you place the solid on the beach and then the sun is there, so the sun is giving heat to the solid, so then the solid becomes hot and then starts to melt and then turns into a liquid. Okay, so this example is called evaporation. Here's the liquid, right? If you pour the liquid into a pan and then heat it up, the water becomes hot and then they turn into steam. You must have saw this if you go to the kitchen often, but if you don't go, you might want to know this, and you also want to know how it works. So when you pour the liquid into a pan and heat it up, the liquid molecules are getting a lot of energy from the heat and they move faster and faster. So basically they are getting excited and then they turn into a gas. In the last slide, I talked about the phase change from liquid to gas is called evaporation. And then when it turns into a gas, it gets heated up and then they are getting more energy. In this slide, it is the opposite. And then from gas to liquid, they are losing energy and then the gas turns into a liquid. This phase change is called condensation. So here's the liquid. This example is called freezing, or you can say it as solidification. If you pour the liquid into a bowl and then put it in a freezer, the liquid freezes and then it turns into a solid. I talked about the phase change earlier from solid to liquid, and that is called melting. And when it changes from solid to liquid, the solid gets heated up, so it's gaining a lot of energy and it moves faster and faster, so then it turns into a liquid, right? But here it's the opposite. So from liquid to solid, it is actually freezing, so then they lose energy and then they turn back into a liquid. Now we are going to review all the phase changes. So from solid to liquid, the phase change is called melting. From liquid to gas, it is called evaporation. From gas to liquid, it is called condensation. And from liquid to solid, it is called freezing. Right now, we are not going to worry about sublimation and deposition. Thank you for watching this video.